We're coming back into the film.
In the tree.
What are you
Because it
talking
landed
about?
in that tree right behind you.
Yeah, the rock's up in the tree.
No, Colleen. Oh, God.
I have two
Look
rocks.
on the
Does it really matter?
Look on the ground under a rock.
You really think we have the same
Where
rock?
was it? Underneath the tree?
No, different one.
Oh.
We're not finding the same exact rock.
But it landed in the tree. I thought it'd just fall right down.
that motherfucker.
This one might be better because it's bigger.
I got a bigger one. Or that light's really annoying.
I know, but it's really great for the movie.
Let me see the rock. Let me
check
see
out
the
this
rock.
side. Here, this is a good one. This one will have lots of surface area in which to wrap
No, this is bigger.
the rope around.
What do you
How
think?
heavy is that, though?
This
It's
one's like
heavy. It needs to be heavy because mine got caught. It wouldn't
Okay,
even.
all right,
It wouldn't.
no, but the thing is, mine is triangular,
Colleen,
meaning that it will go through the air.
Yeah, you know what? She's right about the triangular part.
that is crap.
No, it doesn't
More
slip.
aerodynamic.
It doesn't
It's
slip.
wind resistant.
No, no,
I have a
shut
pyramid.
up. No, the
That's what
stupid
she's
the rope
saying.
doesn't
I
slip
have
if
a
it's
fucking
square.
pyramid.
Yeah.
No,
No
dude,
triangle shit.
Tomahawks were
Pyramid.
made
I wanna
triangular
try
for a
the other
reason.
one.
They're a pyramid.
All right, Erin's up anyway, so it doesn't matter. She can pick.
Even have my,
Thank
I
you.
even have my athletic pants on right now.
All right, we want to see this.
All right.
The competition
I'm going-
continues.
I'm going to the plate here.
Are you filming this?
Batter up.
Let me do that.
Yep.
All right, I'll let her
Is
prepare
it
her
film
own
or
rock.
photo?
Film.
Yeah.
Really?
You get to prepare your own rock.
Yes, you do. Okay, new rule.
This is Colleen's rock.
Wait, I have a disadvantage. I had to use the rock.
How was Colleen's rock
I
like
wasn't
that?
done yet.
Look at that.
Colleen, I would like an opinion on your
trying-
rock
I was
wrapping capabilities, please.
I
I was trying to sabotage her attempt because I really want that piece of chocolate tomorrow.
I'm afraid your chocolate days aren't happening, Colleen. Your time has passed.
These are so
We have a new batter.
What? Erin,
Batter up.
use the pyramid. Don't